Something that people may not realize about our pricing is that it's all flat rate pricing. So what does that mean? First of all, it means that we don't solicit tips. So absolutely, if you love your massage therapist, if you absolutely insist on leaving one, great, go for it. But it's not something we solicit because we want people to know that this is a healthcare service. We don't really want to be associated with something like a spa vibe where that's expected or part of the service. And then the other thing that I don't think people realize is that all of the add-ons that a typical business would tack on, whether that's cupping or using heat packs or scraping or muscle gels or anything like that, that is all part of your service as well. And it's really up to you, the client, and the therapist to determine if that's something you need. But I wanted to show you a few of the topicals that we might use in your service, and you can absolutely request them and you're not going to get charged extra for them. So one thing, for example, that we absolutely love is magnesium calming cream. We actually also sell this in the clinic, and it's great because a little bit goes a long way. There are a ton of health benefits associated with magnesium, such as pain relief and cramp reduction. We also have a warming lotion that we love. The brand is Cryoderm. The only caution with this one is if you have an allergy or a sensitivity to capsaicin, then you're going to want to avoid this, but I absolutely love it. This is actually my favorite topical. It's warm, it's spicy, it's got camphor and menthol, it smells really good, and it really makes my muscles feel great. So if you want to ask for this at your next session, please do. Just please don't ask for it if you are allergic to capsaicin. A good alternative, if the heat is not going to be your vibe, is to use our cooling gel. So this is going to be very similar to something like a BioFreeze. It's going to be really cooling and soothing on the muscles. So this is something else that you can request during your massage session. It's not going to cost anything extra. And then if you love it, we actually also sell it in clinic. I also want to point out that cupping is something that's often upsold or upcharged for. And this is something you just simply need to ask for. We can very easily incorporate into sessions, and cupping is going to be great for bringing additional blood flow to areas that are just feeling restricted and feel like they need a little more movement. And for those of you who might be thinking like, gosh, is it going to leave red marks and things like that? We can absolutely set the pressure of the cup in such a way that you're not leaving with a ton of marks. Or if that's something that you're wanting to show off to your friends, well, I suppose, but our approach is not to cup you like crazy to make all this blood come to the surface. Really, we do it therapeutically. We do it to just bring some blood flow to the muscle. But again, no upcharge for this. Just simply ask for it and it is all yours. Finally, I will talk about, we do use heat packs, and let me just find one here. So who doesn't love an amazing warm heat pack as part of their service? Just ask for it. Some people don't always prefer heat. Our table is heated as well, and that can be adjusted for you. But if you want a warm compress on your neck, on your low back, whatever, please feel free to ask. It will never be upcharged or upsold to you. We also do sell some of these in clinic if you love these. Simple to put in the microwave. We keep it in a towel warmer here. But it is just our way of saying, hey, we really want to treat you based on what your body needs without you having to stress about the price, stress about tipping, anything like that. Even though we are medical massage and not a spa massage, stress relief is still very important to us. We want you to leave feeling amazing and feeling like you got the most value for your treatment.